Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay at Exxon gas pumps. First, make sure your Apple Pay is fully set up on your iPhone or Apple Watch with a valid credit or debit card. Then, when you arrive at an Exxon station, look for a pump that clearly displays the contactless payment symbol. This symbol usually looks like 4 curved lines. Once you've found one, open your wallet app on your device to prepare for payment. To initiate your payment, simply hold your iPhone or Apple Watch near the contactless reader on the gas pump. You'll then be prompted to authenticate your purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or by entering your passcode. After successful authentication, you can select the specific credit or debit card you wish to use from your wallet. This process usually takes just a few seconds, making your fueling experience quick and convenient. Once your payment is authenticated and your card is selected, follow the clear on-screen prompts at the pump. You'll typically choose your desired fuel grade, such as regular or premium, and then you can begin pumping your gas. Wait for the transaction to fully complete and for the pump to authorize the fuel delivery. A confirmation message will appear on both your device and the pump screen, indicating a successful transaction. For the smoothest experience, always ensure your device's near-field communication, or NFC, is enabled for contactless payments. If you encounter any issues, like a reader not responding, try moving to a different pump or consider paying inside the station. Always double-check your bank statement later to confirm the transaction. Using Apple Pay is a secure and efficient way to pay for your fuel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.